Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to lock WhatsApp chat. So first of all, let's open up our WhatsApp, okay? And make sure that you update it to the last version so you can get all the new feature, because this feature is actually new. So make sure that you updated it, and then let's just go ahead right here to this chat, for example, right? I'm going to click the name of that person right here at the top. And what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down until you find right here disappearing messages and chat log. And after we click the chat log right here, you will see kind of instructions if you just update it, and you will see that you need to confirm and follow the process, and you will see just like this. And after we confirm and did everything and walked through the steps of that new update, I'm gonna just go ahead right here, lock this chat with the Face ID, and you're gonna see right here this chat has been locked. Okay, so you won't see it right here appearing on this chat. So how do we see the locked chat, or how do we unhide it? So you gotta just scroll up, and you will see right here, if you just scroll up, that there is a locked chat right here, and you will see that I've locked two chats. If I want to go ahead right here and go into the name again and just scroll a little bit down, you will see right here the chat lock. I can just unhide it, and that's it. And if I want to leave it like this, it will be hidden in the locked chat right here, and it will not be appearing on the chat. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.